choice today with the 2020 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.